If you are a fabricholic like me, you probably have a treasure trove of small but beautiful fabric scraps that are seemingly impossible to sew. Well, let's turn these precious pieces into cute fabric scrap dogs. First things first, let's get those fabric scraps ready. Ensure they are wrinkle-free by giving them a good ironing. Introducing Bondaweb, Heat and Bond, a key player in this project. It has two sides, one with non-stick paper and the other with plastic paper. Double-check to ensure the plastic side is facing up. Now, neatly arrange your fabric scraps, avoiding excessive overlap and ensuring no large gaps. This prevents the Bondaweb from sticking to your iron. Place a piece of baking paper on top and secure the fabric scraps in place with the iron. Flip it over and give it a good press. Your beautiful, bonded fabric is ready for the next step. To make tracing easier, consider printing your dog pattern on card paper. Select the dog you'd like to create from the variety available in my pattern. Trace the dog shape onto the back of the bonded fabric. And then carefully cut it out. Remove any overlapping fabric to facilitate free motion embroidery. For those new to free motion embroidery, using thick and firm felt as a base is an excellent choice. Peel off the backing paper from your dog shape and iron it onto the base felt. Set your sewing machine to the free motion embroidery setting and let the creative journey begin. Start slowly, don't rush, and embrace any imperfections as you guide the needle. Remember, the charm of free motion embroidery lies in its imperfections. And you can even add unplanned circle lines to enhance your dog's character. To transform your embroidery piece into a charming dog charm, place another piece of felt beneath it to hide any messy stitches. Ensure it's slightly larger than the dog shape. Insert the charm string between the two pieces of felt. Use white thread to stitch around the entire dog. And then trim away any excess felt. Patience is key, especially when cutting around 2 layers of thick felt. And there you have it, your first fabric scrap dog charm is complete. Also, I turned this retriever into a stylish book band. For a book band, place another piece of felt beneath the dog embroidery and insert a flat elastic between the two pieces of felt. Use white thread to stitch around the entire dog and trim away any excess felt. Your charming book band is now ready to enhance your reading adventures. Thank you for watching.